You have to be really good to be able to cut in this line perfectly without getting the paint on there. So I'm sure we've all done this. Take your tape. Oh. So you have to get it on perfectly, right? You line it up, move it back and forth. And if you don't get it right, you're going to get some tape up on the wall, and when you pull it off, you're going to have a line on the wall of the old color. Terrible. You don't want that, right? I've got an idea here to show you today. I've been trying it out. Seems like it works pretty good. So I wanted to share it with you. So instead of trying to line it up perfectly and get that edge right on the edge, here's another idea. All right, so peel off your piece of masking tape and make sure you go up on the wall with it. Like that, right? Go way up on the wall. Don't worry about the edge. There. All right, so we got it way up on top of the wall. And now we're going to get that pressed down into the top of the baseboard. Once you get that sharp edge, you can feather this down, press it hard onto the baseboard, and then take your razor knife and cut it. It'll find the center between the baseboard and the wall. You don't even have to try hard to get that cut. Peel this off, and look what you got. It's a perfect edge on top of the baseboard. Now you can take this. I'm just doing it with that. And now you can paint on it without worrying about going over the line. Now the proof is going to be what it looks like when I take it off, right? There we go. Now you can see how quick and easy I was able to do that. Let's peel it off. You always want to peel your tape off when the paint is wet. Don't ever let it dry, because then you could peel the paint off the wall. Now that is a perfectly sharp edge. Well, what do you think? Is that worth doing or not? I'm telling you, that was a little bit too easy. I love things that are easy. I don't think anybody can cut in that good. And if you try and tape it right on the edge, it's going to take you forever. So there you go. If you like the video, hit the subscribe and the like button. And this is the Everyday Man saying, I'll see you next time.